to WOW TV. My name is Angel, and I'm here from the Wizards of Wright program. The WOW program is a part of the Educational Outreach Office here at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Today we're going to go through a brief review of what you may have already learned about electricity, currents, and circuits, and then you'll have a chance to build with littleBits. Let's get started. We need to review a few things. What do you already know about electricity? Electricity is a type of energy. Electricity can build up and stay in one place, or it can move. Electricity happens when electrons move. Electricity provides power for lighting, appliances, and other electric devices in our homes, schools, and businesses. Have you learned that when electrons move, they carry their energy to a new spot? This is called an electric current. In order to work, our appliances and devices all need an electric current running through them. Have you studied potential energy and kinetic energy? Potential energy is energy that is stored for use in the future, and kinetic energy is energy being used at that moment. Think about all of the times you've been told you have the potential to do something. You have the potential to get straight A's. You have the potential to hit a home run. And even you have the potential to become president. That means you have the ability to do it in the future, although you aren't doing it right now. Energy is the same. Imagine a car parked at the top of a hill. It has the potential or ability to roll down the hill, but at the top, it's just sitting still. If we release the brake and it begins to roll down the hill, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy when it begins to move. What have you learned about an electric circuit? An electric circuit is a closed path or loop for electric current to flow around. In a flashlight, there is a simple circuit with an on-off switch, a light bulb, and a battery, linking everything together with some pieces of wire. When you turn the switch on, electricity should flow through the circuit. The electricity will stop flowing if the path isn't complete. Think about walking up a flight of stairs. When you start going, you should be able to get to the top pretty easily. But if there's a broken or missing step in the way, you would have to stop moving up those stairs. In our flashlight, if one of the wires is broken, the bulb will not shine. The electricity won't flow. Electricity also won't flow if the switch is turned off. Think about this for a minute. What electronics do you use and rely on every day? As we pause, discuss your ideas with your class and rank the top 5 electronic devices you can't live without. I'll wait while you make your class list. Also, please discuss how your lives would be different without these electronics. Were you able to limit your list to just 5? I wonder if my list would be similar to yours. Now, please discuss these 2 questions with your class. What do you already know about electricity and circuits that helps us explain how electronics work? And what do electronics need in order to work? I'll see you back here in a few minutes. I think you're ready now to investigate electronics by experimenting with littleBits. These are littleBits. This is a power bit. When it's connected to a battery and turned on and connected to other bits, you're completing a circuit. There are input bits that send information and output bits that react to the information and perform an action. Can you hear that motor running? You will always need more than one bit for results. Before you begin your first activity, let me show you something. This is the box of littleBits you'll be using. You'll be asked to use specific bits, so let me show you how to find the one you need. There's a chart here and here. It gives you the name of a bit and a number for it. The spaces in the tray are numbered, right up here. To double check, the name of the bit is printed on each bit, right at the top. In a moment, you're going to receive these sheets. Activity 1 has you connecting the battery and cable to the power bit and then testing different bits to see what they do. As you see what each one will do, discuss with your group the real-world uses for each of the bits. Teachers, please pass out the student sheets so students will have directions for the activity, and give a box of littleBits to groups of 3 or 4. Then, go ahead and complete the activity. I'll wait here until you're ready. Great job! Okay, you've had a chance to experiment with the bits. Did you test the button with the buzzer? How about the slide dimmer with a motor or a fan? Did you connect the pressure sensor with the long LED or the RGB LED? Now it's time for your next activity. I'm sure you've noticed the directions are there on your sheet. You'll have some time now to work with your group to brainstorm a problem you can solve with a littleBits creation. Come up with a problem, build and test your prototype, and explain your invention to your teacher. Maybe you'll be able to come up with more than one problem to solve. Will the problem you solve be something you deal with at home or at school? Maybe the problem you solve will help firefighters or police officers. Maybe your creation will be something that helps doctors, nurses, or teachers. You have the potential to take this whatever direction you choose. I'll be here waiting while you complete this activity. Welcome back. I wish I could see those great inventions. For your last activity, you will build some very specific circuits. Remember that a circuit is a closed path for electric current to flow through. Electricity will stop flowing if the path isn't complete, if one of the wires is broken, or if the switch is turned off. Teachers, please pass out the circuit building sheets. As you build these, continue to discuss what real-world applications your circuits might have. Please complete as many as you can, and I'll meet you back here in a bit. You all did a great job today. I hope that through using the littleBits, you have a better understanding of electricity, currents, and circuits. Please make sure the battery is disconnected from the cable and the power bit, and that all of the bits go back into the correct spot in the tray. Thanks for joining me. Teachers, thanks so much for using this WOW lesson, and please check out more at our website at wpafbstem.com.